Civilization explained village expansion, metal technology, art, writing and city planning. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Introduction. The Indus Valley Civilization, c. 2600 to 1900 BCE, was one of the world's earliest urban civilizations. Major features: planned cities, advanced drainage system, metal technology, craft specialization, undeciphered script. Important sites include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Lothal. Expansion of settlements. Before large cities emerged, many village settlements expanded into urban centers. Characteristics: agricultural villages near rivers. Gradual growth into towns. Trade and craft specialization. Examples of rural settlements: Harappa, Rajadi. Importance: provided agricultural surplus. Supported urban population. Development of metal technology. Metal technology. The civilization mainly used copper and bronze. Metals used: copper, bronze, copper plus tin, gold, silver, lead. Artifacts discovered: tools, weapons, ornaments, mirrors. Example: the famous dancing girl shows advanced bronze casting. Technique used: lost wax casting method. Art and craft. Harappan people were skilled artisans. Types of crafts: bead making, pottery, terracotta figurines, jewelry, seal carving. Famous artifact: priest-king sculpture. Common materials: terracotta, faience, shell, semi-precious stones. Writing system: Indus script. The Indus script is still undeciphered. Features: around 400 to 600 symbols. Written mostly on seals. Short inscriptions. Examples found at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira. Purpose: trade records. Administrative control. Architecture and city planning. Urban planning. Indus cities were carefully planned. Key features: grid pattern streets, standardized bricks, drainage system, public buildings. Cities divided into citadel, upper town, lower town. Important architectural structures: Great Bath. Located at Mohenjo-daro. Features: public water tank, waterproof brickwork, ritual bathing, granaries. Found at Harappa. Used for storing grains. Dockyard. Located at Lothal. Indicates maritime trade. Drainage system. One of the most advanced drainage systems in the ancient world. Features: covered drains, house drains connected to street drains, soak pits for waste disposal. This shows high level of civic administration. Conclusion: the Indus Valley Civilization was highly advanced because of organized urban planning, skilled craftsmanship, metal technology, trade networks, writing system. It remains one of the most remarkable civilizations of the ancient world. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.